Good afternoon everybody. Today I'm gonna fly from Berlin to Munich on board Lufthansa's Airbus A321. I stayed in a hotel overnight and the transfer to the airport wasn't very complicated. The gate for today's flight is Alpha 4, so let's head straight to it. I booked my flight on Lufthansa.com and I only paid around 35 euros, which isn't very much for this airline. Berlin Tegel Airport is one of the older airports in Germany, but I personally still like it even if it doesn't look very nice. So here we are at the boarding area from where you have a great view in the apron. Boarding also started on time, so let's go. My seat for this flight to Munich is 23A, but I asked the cabin crew if it's possible to sit in one of the rows in the front. So they checked and after takeoff I was allowed to sit in row 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flight time to Munich will be approximately 1 hour. Please make sure that the hand luggage is stowed safely and should not block an aisle or emergency exit. You may keep lighter devices such as mobile phones or tablets in your hand. Laptops have to be switched off and stowed in your hand luggage. Fasten your seatbelts now and not fast like this. Sollte der Druck in der Kabine sinken, kann automatisch Sauerstoffmasken aus der Kabinendecke. Ziehen Sie die Maske ganz sicher runter, um den Sauerstoffluft zu starten. Drücken Sie sie dann auf Mund und Nase und streifen das elastische Band über Ihren Kopf. Danach helfen Sie Kindern und Personen, die Hilfe benötigen. In the event of an
After takeoff, the crew served drinks and a small snack for free, as always on Lufthansa short-haul flights. The seat pocket in front of me contained the typical things, as well as an information card that Flynet, Lufthansa's Wi-Fi, is available on this flight. Like on all of my Lufthansa flights, I got a hot and a cold beverage for free. That's how the service should be on every airline. As I said, I changed my seat to 8F about 20 minutes after departure. The cabin was almost empty here, and as the flight wasn't that long, we soon started with our descent.
so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis die Anschnallzeiten, die werden ausgeschaltet werden. Flugkapitän de Vinage und die gesamte Besatzung danken Ihnen, dass Sie heute mit der Lufthansa Airlines geflogen sind. Wir wünschen Ihnen einen schönen Feiertag hier in München und natürlich auch eine gute und sichere Weiterreise. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Auf Wiedersehen. Welcome to Munich Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been turned off. Flight Captain de Vinage and the entire crew would like to thank you for traveling with Lufthansa Airlines today. We now wish you a nice day here in Munich and of course a safe and good over journey.
We landed in Munich on time and I'm very satisfied with this flight. Lufthansa is always a solid product and I would recommend it to everybody if you want to experience a comfortable flight in and from Germany. I will search for my train back home now. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.